In analog electronics, we will study till your mid-semester, and your digital electronics will start after MSc. Okay, so in analog electronics, we will study different parts such as diodes, transistors, different applications of diodes, characteristics of diodes, then different applications of BJTs and other transistors, switching characteristics of transistors, how we can use these different electronic devices in real life, what are their applications. Okay, and in digital electronics, we will study the digital devices such as the basic logic gates, the number systems. We all are familiar with the advancement in the field of digital era. All of are familiar with the Internet of Things, using mobile devices where every information is being transmitted in the form of zeros and ones. So we will study different number systems that we can use. Then we will discuss different multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders, decoders in the digital electronics part. So now I am going to run an introductory video of this lecture that has been made by the course coordinator, and we have to run that as per the instructions. So please listen to that video carefully. After that, we will discuss few things related to the subject. Please send any message in chat box if you think video or audios are not audible. I think you guys can now see the screen. Anyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it audible? The audio content of the video?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, can you hear any sound?
No, sir.
Wait. And now?
No, sir. No, sir.
You can only see the video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a basic level course, and it is a common subject for all the branches. We will discuss its importance and different aspects of electronics and how it impacts our life. No individual and no field has been untouched with the effect of electronics, whether it is manufacturing, whether it is electronic devices, whether it is your healthcare department, defense systems, communication systems, everywhere we can see electronic devices. Now, most of you have been handling the digital devices for a long time. All of you are having laptops or your smartphones. So a simple smartphone consisting of multiple chips, that is a revolution in the field of electronics, semiconductor electronics, due to which we can use these different features of the semiconductor electronics or different devices that has been a product for the semiconductor industry. So this is our syllabus for electronics engineering. First of all, we will discuss semiconductor devices, then electronic devices and circuits. I think I am audible now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the syllabus for electronics engineering. These are the headings of different chapters. First of all is semiconductor devices. You guys can see the screen now?
No, sir, we cannot see the screen, sir. Only audio is visible. Sir, we can only hear the audio, but the screen is not visible. So,
Okay. Now you can see?
sir, we can see the screen now.
Yes.
Okay. So this is our syllabus. The first chapter is our semiconductor devices, where will we study the diodes. Then we have electronic devices and circuits, where will we study the different applications of diodes and transistors, BJT transistors and etc. Then we have operational amplifier circuits. As the name signifies the meaning that operational amplifiers are used to perform certain operations on the signal, to add to different signals, to subtract signals, to differentiate the signal, to integrate the signal. After that, we have digital part. In digital systems and binary numbers, we will study different binary numbers, octal number system, binary number system. Then we will study hexadecimal number system, and so on. We will also study the basic logic gates, AND gates, OR gates. Some of you might have studied that in your 12th subject in the part of physics syllabus. Then we will study the combinational and sequential logic. So combinational and sequential logic are two important aspects of digital electronics, where we will design different circuits which are based on the logic of combination. That is, based on your input combination, there will be certain output. Then there will be sequential circuits in which your output depends on your current input as well as some previous output combination. Then we will study different logic families, and in the last we will become familiar with different standards that we have to use while designing any system on any software or hardware. So these are the categories of the parts of the semiconductor devices, where we will study p-n junction diode, then ideal diode, VI characteristics of diode, diode small signal model. What do we mean by the switching characteristics of diode, and how we can use them as a rectifier, as a clipper, and as a clamper. In electronic devices and circuits, we will study the operation of bipolar junction transistors, transistor biasing, then different relationship between the parameters of the transistor alpha, beta, gamma. We will also study the ideal and real amplifiers, equivalent circuits, and we will also present a brief introduction to different other transistors, such as field effect transistors or MOS transistors, metal oxide semiconductor transistors. These are our course objectives. Course objective means what we are trying to achieve with the help of this subject. By learning this subject, what at the end of the coursework, what you will have gained. So these are our CLOs, course level outcomes. So CLO1 is to demonstrate the use of semiconductor diodes in various applications. We will discuss these in theory as well as in practical. We will also present the demo of their hardware. We will also learn these things on multi-sim software. Then we have CLO2, discuss and explain the working of transistors and operational amplifiers, their configuration and application. At the end of this coursework, you will be able to work with the transistors and operational amplifiers. You will be able to identify the different configurations in which transistors can be used based on your application, based on your uses. Then is our CLO3, recognizing and applying the number systems and Boolean algebra. So this is the basic of digital electronics, number systems and Boolean algebra. Everything that we will study in the part of the, digital, or you will study in the digital communication, or anything remotely related to digital, the number systems and Boolean algebra is the basic of for that. We will try to reduce the Boolean expressions and implement them with logic gates. You are designing something, you have some complicated Boolean expression, but with the help of some Boolean algebra and some methods and techniques, you will be able to reduce that expression to a smaller expression, so that you will now design that circuit with minimum number of resources. Then we will be able to analyze, design and implement combinational and sequential circuits. This we will all study in theory as well as in the practical part in the lab. In the lab, you will implement different combinational circuits such as half adder, full adder, and different sequential circuits such as flip-flop and counters in the digital kits that we will be presented you with the live video, and on multisim where you will design them on yourself. So these are the CLOs of this subject. These are two books that we will refer for this course. You can say that these are our textbooks. The first one is for analog, that is Boylsted. This is a very famous book. You will get that on from the library of the institute, and through the e-resources you can get the PDF files. The title of the book is Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory. The second one is Morse-Meno, that is for digital part. This is also like your textbook of the syllabus. Now there are some supporting materials of the course other than the reference books, other than the textbooks, and these are different tutorials and solutions to the tutorial. Every week you will have one tutorial in which we will discuss the numerical part of the syllabus that has been covered in the particular week. You have to solve those numericals, you have to submit your tutorial sheet that will be considered for evaluation, and the solutions of the tutorials will be provided 2 weeks later, so that you can check yourself and you can evaluate yourself. Then there are some reference books for self-study and syllabus. All these things has been provided on your course website. There is also a link for the video courses on analog and digital portion of the course. You can download those videos and use them for self-paced learning. So on your course website, the e-content of the subject is available there. In case you miss some any lecture or due to any reason, you can always go there, or you want to re-listen to the lecture content, then you can also revisit those lectures. Those are pre-recorded lectures of this subject. So now let's go to the website part. So first you log into your LMS account that you have been provided with your application number or email ID. There you can go to the particular subject, that is electronics engineering. You can guys see the screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what you see on the LMS portal regarding this electronics engineering subject. There you will have different announcements related to the quiz or the any other announcement that the course coordinator wants to make. So you have to keep revisiting this LMS portal. There you will see a course introductory video, and then you will see introductory video. So course introductory video is basically what I have just shown you. You can revisit that. Then we have introductory video. Introductory video is basically related to the introduction of the analog part. How we will cover that, or just introducing the analog electronics part to the student. Then we have links for the course website. Here we have lecture classroom links, lab class links, and tutorial classroom Zoom links. There you will also see the course coverage for week 1, how much we will cover in week 1 and the coming weeks. And you can also see some prerequisite modules also there. So let's visit the course website. So this is our course website for electronics engineering. Here you can see the electronic video of the course that is also present on the LMS portal. Then academic calendar. Now this academic calendar has to be updated as per the instructions from the management. So you have to keep revisiting those. Now these are two different links that you have to fill on your own. The link third is class representatives and group representatives of all batches of first year which have registered for electronics engineering course. They have to fill this form. So anyone who has been designated as class representative or group representative. Class representative is your overall class representative. Then your class has been divided into different groups for lab, where every group is consists of 25 to 30 students. There is one group representative also. So they have to fill this form so that we have all the information about the GRs of the whole group. Then other than the CR and GR, rest of the students have to fill this form. They have to go to this link and then they have to fill their information. The email address has to be the same email address that has been provided by you to the institute during your admission, during your registration. In coming weeks, you will be provided the registered email ID for Hopper domain, that is hopper.edu. Till then, you will use the email ID that you have provided to access the LMS account also. Then you will fill the name, roll number, group, and your phone number. So this is a mandatory activity. You have to fill this after this class ends or at the end of this day. जब आपकी सारी classes खत्म हो जाएं, you have to fill this form. Every student have to fill this form so that their information is available to us. Okay, now we have here this is our home. Here you can see the syllabus, different tutorials, self-study references, analog syllabus video lectures. So if you click on the analog syllabus video lectures, you will see different videos. There are 40 videos that has been uploaded on here, and at the with the help of title, you can see what will be the content of this particular video. So this is your first video, fundamentals of semiconductor, energy band diagram, p-type and n-type semiconductor. Okay, so if you want to study some clipper-based numericals, so you can see here at the 15 clipper-based numericals, you can directly go to the module number 15. You can see how to solve this type of numericals. So the syllabus will be covered in the lectures by me, but in case you missed something or you want to revisit you want to re-listen, revise your syllabus, revise your contents, revise your syllabus, then you can always revisit these videos. Now in these videos, we have uploaded these videos which have contents other than your syllabus also. So you have to go by the syllabus. You have to look for that particular module in which your required problem or required topic has been covered, and then you can always listen to it. You can also see here the module-wise details of the course breakup, that in which module what syllabus has been covered. You can also go there go here. So for all the 40 lectures, आपका यहाँ पे description है कि किसमें क्या cover किया गया है. Similarly, we have digital syllabus video lectures. So these are different modules for digital syllabus video link. एक उसी तरीके से हमारे पास लैब वर्क की आपकी वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे. लैब वर्क, so you can see here these are the videos for analog part, these are the videos for digital lab. So you can go to any particular link. So this is for function generator. You go there, you will see the video link in the drive. You run this and you will see the demo of that function generator. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपके हर वीडियो के, हर एक्सपेरिमेंट के वीडियोस बनाए गए हैं. सबसे पहले आपको जब भी आप लैब को एक्सेस करेंगे, बिफोर गोइंग टू एनी लैब, यू हैव टू सी दिस इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो ऑफ multi-sim simulator for lab work, because everything that you will be doing in the lab at your end, you have to perform those experiments on multi-sim. So how to use multi-sim simulator, that is be provided in this video, introductory video. And other than that, for every experiment there is a lab manual in which brief description is there that what you have to do in that particular experiment. So you can go there. So this is for analog lab. Combined lab manual में आपके सारे experiments के lab manual आ जाएगी, और अलग-अलग lab की जो lab manual है वो यहाँ पे भी दी हुई है. जैसे second की lab manual है, third की lab manual यहाँ पे है. So you can go there, combined lab manual, and there you can see the experiment wise lab manual. You can see what you have to do in that particular experiment. So this is our first experiment, then this is our second experiment, and so on. ठीक है, ठीक जिस तरीके से आपका एनालॉग का पार्ट है, सेम वे वी हैव अपलोडेड द कंटेंट्स फॉर डिजिटल लैब आल्सो. So for every experiment you will see a video link, lab manual, a multi-sim video. With the help of this you can understand different aspects of hardware and your practical aspect of the electronics lab. Here you have classroom links. Then you have lab submission links, how you have to upload your lab work that you will be performing on your laptop or your mobile back at your home. जब भी आपकी कोई lab होगी, you have to perform some experiment, you have to send the performed file, performed work, whatever you have done, the readings that you have taken from the multi-sim, this schematic diagram that you have made on the multi-sim, okay, and any other write-up that you want to explain what you have done, all that content have to be uploaded in a PDF format with the help of these lab submission links. तो आपके group wise यहाँ पे link बने होंगे. You have to go the particular link. So this, for example, this is your ECE5 link. Okay, so you can go there. Link. You will submit. So you will also have some description how you have to submit. Okay, here you have ECE5. So your group name is there, your course code is there. So this is the form link for ECE5 group only. Similarly, for every group you will have a different Google form. And your file name should be your roll number and then your experiment name. You will fill your name, your roll number, your lab group number, and then you will help of this add file link. You will add your file and then you will submit. Okay, someone is asking how much time ago this meeting was started. Did I miss something important? So the class started at 8 o'clock exactly, and I was simply giving you the introduction to the course and introduction to the website, how you can access the website and different contents of the website. In case you have missed something or you think whatever has been missed in this class, you can go there and visit this website, explore its different aspects that have been uploaded on this website, and you will be familiar with the course subject. Okay, sir, there was no link for CH subgroup. CH subgroup or CR subgroup, what you want to say? Sachin Rai. Sachin, what are you trying to ask? Okay, Sachin is not here. Okay, someone is asking to write the name of the books. So for the books, you can always visit your website. Go to the website, home. Here you will have syllabus. Click on the syllabus. Here you have course objective, different chapters, their description, and in the end you will have there 2 textbooks. This is your Boyle set, then your Morris Minnow, and then there are some reference books. These will be provided by the library. You can also visit the also search on the Google if there is some PDF file available there. In case there is not, you can also access the e-contents for the library services to access that book in PDF format. So you just click on the syllabus and there you will find the textbook. There is also list of experiments that you have to perform in this coursework. Okay, and what other in the chat box और क्या लिखा है आप लोगों ने? When we get the roll number, that I cannot answer exactly, but very soon, I think in 2 or 3 weeks there will be some time at the management end. Only then you will get the roll number. So in the Google form we have to fill the roll number, but we have not given any roll number. So in that case, you fill the application number of your admission that you have used to get the registration in the university. Do we have to buy book or the PDF or ebook will work? I think PDF will be fine. Everything will be on the computers and mobiles, at least for this semester for now. So you can use the PDF or ebook. In case you have access to the hard copy also, then that is also fine. आप पूरे दिन कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल पे काम करते हो, कुछ दिन आपकी आंखों को भी थोड़ा ठीक आराम मिलेगा. So if you have, then you can buy those books. Otherwise, PDF is fine.
OJ sir.
Okay, so the very first topic that we will cover in the next lecture, that will be your PN junction diode. Now this is a small homework for all of you. You must have studied this in your physics syllabus in 11th or 12th. Now we will move from there onwards. So you have to just brief introduction of what is a PN junction diode. What do you how this PN junction diode works. आपको थोड़ा सा पहले से पढ़ के आना, उसके बाद फिर हम वहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, आपके लिए वो काफी हेल्पफुल रहेगा, क्योंकि बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से बताएंगे तो आपका सिलेबस है वो कवर नहीं हो पाएगा. इन दिस सिलेबस वी हैव टू डिस्कस व्हाट इज जंक्शन डायोड, आइडियल डायोड एंड देयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. तो थोड़ा बहुत आप जो आपने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है आपके 12th के सिलेबस में, आप उसको रिवाइज करके आना. फिर जब हम उसको यहाँ पे रिकवर करेंगे, एंड दैट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. Is this MP1? I think this class is for 3 different groups, and these groups are let me tell you once. The group is of for MPE, MEC, and CHE. So MPE students, MEC students, and CHE chemistry students. This this class is for those, only those groups.
For
Yes,
mechatronics,
anyone was saying something?
so for mechatronics, MEC.
You are not audible.
Sir, let me.
Your voice volume is very low. I can't hear you. It is clear, but the volume is very low. Yes, for MEC also, this is the group.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, MPE, MEC, and CHE. So someone is asking for MP. So MP is also there, I think. Manufacturing and Processing Engineering, MPE. Okay, Udit, in which branch you are? Manufacturing processes? Udit, you can answer. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this is Udit Gogia speaking. So I am from Mechanical Engineering Production.
Okay, what is your branch code?
MP1.
I think this is
MP1.
for M. I think this is for MP. Yes.
Okay, yeah, because the link I was provided, I joined the link and I saw the class was for electronics and communication. That's why I asked.
Okay. Did you see the name of the teacher that you have been assigned?
Yeah, just a second.
Okay. Okay. Someone is asking that for lab submission there is no link for CHE group. That link will be created as the time flies. जैसे आपका वक्त आएगा, आपकी लैब जब स्टार्ट होंगी, तो जो भी उस लैब में आपके इंचार्ज रहेंगे, आपके जो भी फैकल्टी रहेंगी, वो उन ग्रुप्स को मेंटेन करेंगे, उन लिंक्स को मेंटेन करेंगे. तो कुछ के लिंक्स अभी बन गए हैं, कुछ के लिंक्स जो है वो बाद में बन जाएंगे. But don't worry, when it will come to submission of your lab file, you will find the link there. Okay, so this is it for now. There is some homework for you. All of you have to fill that form that I already told you. जो आपकी वेबसाइट पे आप जाते हैं होम पे, तो वहां पे आपको मिलता है. उस फॉर्म को आपको सबने भरना है, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स एक्सेप्ट CR एंड GR. और जो लोग CR और GR जिनको डेजिग्नेट कर दिया गया है, वो आपका 3 नंबर वाला लिंक फिल करेंगे. दिस इज ए मैंडेटरी एक्सरसाइज. You have to do this. And similar to this, there are different activities on your LMS portal also, where you have to perform those activities. Activities means there will be some announcement, there will be some video uploaded there. So you have to watch that video and click on that video so that the faculty or the concerned teacher know that you have watched that video. In case you miss those videos, you will also get reminder for that you have to perform some activity. So keep visiting your profile on LMS account. You will get there multiple announcements, and you have to perform different activities. Okay, there is one more thing that I have to tell. Okay, this is your breakup of different marks evaluation process is this. Okay, I will tell you which form you have to fill. First, let's discuss the evaluation scheme. So total there are 100 marks. Out of those 100 marks, 25 marks is for your mid semester, 45 marks is your for end semester, and 30 marks are for sectional. So MSTs will be somewhere midway the semester. EST will be at the end of the semester. So 25 for MST, 45 for EST. For sectionals, there are 30 marks and there are different components of the sectional. These sectional components consist of different quizzes, lab quiz and lab performance. Please unmute you. Akash, mute yourself. Akash and Manav, mute yourself once.
आज किसी का इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग
ठीक है, तो आज जो आपके क्विज होंगे वो दो क्विजेज होंगे, वन बिफोर द एमएसटी एंड वन बिफोर ईएसटी. Both of those quizzes will be 10 marks. Then there will be one lab quiz which will be consisting of questions regarding the practicals that you will perform on the in the lab. That will be for 10 marks. And then there will be lab performance. Lab performance means the submission of your lab file time to time evaluation will be there and your viva. तो आपको हर कंपोनेंट को साथ में लेके चलना है, किसी भी कंपोनेंट को आपने लाइटली नहीं लेना है, whether it is your lab, whether it is your lab quiz or your normal quizzes. The general quizzes that we will be taking from you, that will consist of questions on theoretical part. Lab quiz will be 4 questions on practical part. Same way, these questions will also come from your ट्यूटोरियल सेक्शन. डिफरेंट टूल्स के अंदर आप जो भी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे उनसे रिलेटेड आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस नॉर्मल क्वेरीज में भी आएंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द ब्रेकअप ऑफ द मार्क्स एंड द इवैल्यूएशन प्रोसेस. ओके, नाउ someone was asking that is this link for ME8? Yes, this is link for all ME groups. See, every class has been divided into small groups for lab. So ME1 to ME8 all belong to same class, but there are 8 different groups and those groups will be as per their lab. Okay, so ME, for the ME this is class, similarly for MPE and for CHE. Please tell us which form we have to fill. Okay, you have to fill this form. You visit the course website and the home page of the course website will look like this. You have to fill this form. Form number 4. If you are not a class representative yet or a group representative yet, you can always fill this form. All students except CR and GR. You visit this link. You fill your information with email address. This email address should be the same email address that you are using for LMS account. And your name, roll number, group, and phone number.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, roll number will be the application number.
For now, your roll number will be your application number.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is this
Yes.
for ME7 batch?
Is this for?
ME7 batch.
Yes. This is for ME, MPE, and CHE.
So this is a practical class, right?
No, this is not a practical class. This is lecture.
So I'm not able to join the practical class. I'm from ME7 batch.
ME7.
Yes, sir.
What was the link ID for that?
ECED
14, 13.
was there in the last.
ECD?
3.
I think what was the timing for the lab?
8 to 9:40. I'm trying to join for past 40 minutes and I'm not able to join.
Sir, it is saying authorized accounts only.
Yes, sir.
For Thapar ID only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in this lecture you are not using Thapar ID, but you are able to log in.
Sir, we are using registered ID, but it is still saying authorized ID only.
Okay, so for that you please contact your lab in charge. जो भी आपके lab ले रहे हैं, आप उनसे एक बार बात कीजिए. Maybe there are some default settings that he or she has been he has forgot to disable that.
Sir, can you?
सर मुंजाल सर हैं सर जो क्लास ले रहे हैं.
तो आपको उसकी कांटेक्ट डिटेल्स होंगी वहाँ पे, नहीं है?
नहीं है सर.
नहीं है
मैसेज
सर.
किया तो है पर कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया.
ओके.
बहुत सारी क्लासेस की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है सर ये तो.
हाँ नहीं, अभी आपकी स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आएगी क्योंकि ऑल द जूम लिंक सेटिंग्स आर फॉर ओनली रजिस्टर्ड आईडी. तो उनको वो एक बार या तो डिसेबल करना होगा या किसी ने स्ट्रिक्टली किसी पर्टिकुलर लिंक पे इनेबल कर दिया होगा. आई एम यूजिंग द डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग, तो मुझे आप इस क्लास में तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. यू कैन एक्सेस दिस लिंक, बट आई डोंट नो, यू हैव टू कॉन्टेक्ट दैट फैकल्टी. या तो आप उनको ईमेल लिख सकते हैं अपने डिटेल डाल दे के, मोबाइल नंबर और अपना बैच नंबर बता के, या फिर आपके ही बैच में किसी को आप जानते हो जिन्होंने वो लैब अटेंड की है, आप उसमें अपना बता सकते हो. Have you guys formed any WhatsApp group of your group, lab group or class group?
नहीं सर अभी कोई ग्रुप तो नहीं है.
अच्छा, अभी तो आप लोगों को पास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी.
Hello,
Yes,
I'm audible sir?
yes.
सर उन्होंने लेक्चर में बताया था कि व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप नहीं बनाएंगे वो.
नहीं, आप अपने लिए तो बनाओगे ना, आपस में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, वो तो नहीं बनाएंगे.
हाँ सर, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी नहीं कहा था उन्होंने. कहा था LMS से ही कम्युनिकेशन होगी जो भी होगी.
हाँ चलो, वैसे तो इस बार सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है तो यू कैन गेट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द LMS. तो आप LMS पे ही उसमें डाल दीजिए क्यूरी में. सर जब लैब खत्म होगी तो देखेंगे उसको. ओके. एनीथिंग एल्स?
सर ये फॉर्म किस चीज का है? मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया तो पता नहीं.
ये फॉर्म आपको आपकी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, आपका क्या एप्लीकेशन नंबर था, इन विच ग्रुप यू बिलोंग, व्हाट इज योर रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी, व्हाट इज योर फोन नंबर, तो जो आपकी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन है वो जानने के लिए है. सो दैट इन फ्यूचर इफ यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट टू यू, वी कैन डू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन.
Excuse me, sir.
यस
Sir, can you provide website link in chat box?
वेबसाइट लिंक आपके LMS अकाउंट पे है. यू गो टू योर LMS अकाउंट, यू गो टू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट, यू विल फाइंड देयर रिटन लिंक. वहां पे लिखा होगा
And
कोर्स
sir,
वेबसाइट लिंक.
आपने कहा था फॉर्म भरना है. फॉर्म के ऊपर वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग लिखा हुआ, तो केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में हूँ सर मैं, तो मेरे को भरना है फॉर्म.
नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग इज योर सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज नॉट ब्रांच.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
यस, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट.
सर जो इसमें ग्रुप है उसमें
हम्म.
1MT1 भरना है या ग्रुप A भरना है?
MT1.
एंड सर जो आपने कहा था रिवाइज करना है जो 12th का, वो कोई इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो में करना है या फिर हमें 12th की बुक से ही करना है?
वैसे आप इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो है उसको भी देख सकते हो, जो इस कोर्स की इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो है ना. 3 वीडियो मिलेंगे आपको.
यस सर.
एक आपकी कोर्स की इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो है जो कि आपके कोर्स कोऑर्डिनेटर ने ली है. देन देयर इज वन वीडियो फॉर एनालॉग व्हिच इज बाय सुधांशु त्यागी सर, डॉक्टर सुधांशु.
ओके सर.
You can visit
एनालॉग
that,
वीडियो
there
भी
you will.
आपको?
Yes.
ओके सर।
बाकी हम यहाँ पे भी स्टडी करेंगे उनको, लेकिन आपका सिलेबस थोड़ा वास्ट है, यू हैव लेस टाइम, वी हैव लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, सो you have to cope up with the pace. So it will be beneficial for you if you study a little bit before the class.
So number of weeks for the end semester test.
Number of
weeks मतलब कितना टाइम शेड्यूल में हमारा एंड सेमेस्टर बिगिन होगा?
अभी के लिए कुछ नहीं कह सकते. That will be decided once your subject classes are taken by the teachers, and जब वो देखेंगे कि yes we have covered the entire syllabus.
Okay sir.
But I think for now we have to think that December will be your.
तो मुझे एक्चुअली चीज पूछनी थी, इसमें ग्रुप में अगर मैं मैकेनिकल प्रोडक्शन का हूँ तो मुझे ग्रुप में क्या भरना है? ग्रुप क्या भरना है मुझे?
ग्रुप में आपको लिखा होगा आगे ME1 2 3 ऐसे कुछ लिखा होगा ना?
जी सर लिखा हुआ है, वो तो MP1 लिखा हुआ है, तो वो भरना है.
हाँ यस MP1.
और सर मुझे पूछना था, अगर हम CR और मतलब क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव या ग्रुप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनना चाहते हैं तो मतलब क्या कहते हैं, जो वाला फॉर्म है वो वाला फॉर्म भरें या फिर नॉर्मल क्लास का ही भर दें?
नहीं, वैसे तो आप जैसे आपके जो ग्रुप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनेंगे वो बनेंगे लैब में.
ओके.
MP1 का एक ग्रुप GR होगा, MP2 का एक होगा, बट MP की क्लास के लिए आपका अलग से एक GR होगा. ठीक है. अब जैसे इस लेक्चर में आपके 3 डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस हैं, MP भी है, MEC भी है और CHE भी है. तो अगर कोई बनना चाहता है देन यू कैन राइट योर इंफॉर्मेशन इन द चैट बॉक्स. So I will consider that as a CR. So if I have to convey something, I will convey to that he has to. But how will you convey to all the students? You don't know their numbers. But still there has to be some CR. You can, if you want to be, you can be. This is my contact number, and okay, this has been sent privately. I will send it to everyone. This is the contact number, and this is the email ID. So if you want to know anything, you want any access, you can always contact me. Okay? तो अगर आप में से कोई CR बनना चाहता है तो आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे सेंड कर सकते हो, और फिर आपको वही इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे भी सेंड करनी पड़ेगी जो GR का आपका फॉर्म है वहां पे. दिस इज दैट फॉर्म. तो यहाँ पे आप अपना ग्रुप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. सो नाउ आई हैव टू एंड दिस क्लास. इट्स 8:53 नाउ. In the next class, we will start the syllabus from the PN junction diode. Okay?
Sir.
Now you can leave this
sir.
meeting. Yes?
Sir, how many classes are there in a week? Lecture classes, tutorial and
lecture classes, there are 3. There is one tute classes for solving with different numericals, and then there is one lab of 2 hours.
Okay, sir.
So there are almost 6 hours of one subject.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
सर मेरा लैब पीरियड था सर, जैसे जब ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा तो मैं क्या करूं? 9:40 तक है सर.
उसके लिए आपको आप LMS का अकाउंट है वहां पे उनको आप लिख सकते हो. आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है तो आप पोर्टल पे जाएंगे उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट की, तो वहां पे भी आपका एक चैट बॉक्स टाइप में बना हुआ है.
अमित मुंजाल सर को मैंने मैसेज तो कर दिया, पर अभी तक कोई रिप्लाई तो आया नहीं.
नहीं, एक्चुअली ऐसा होगा ना कि राइट नाउ ही विल बी इन द Zoom मीटिंग फॉर द लैब, तो वो LMS पे मैसेज देख नहीं पाएंगे. तो वो once the lab ends only then he will be able to answer your queries. एक बार. हाँ
सर, अटेंडेंस कैसे लगेगी?
अटेंडेंस आपकी जो भी यहाँ पे आते जाएंगे जिसने भी लॉगिन किया है कितना टाइम रहा है वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका आता रहेगा जूम अकाउंट।
ओके
यस ओके देन
Thank you, sir.